So what a lot of people don't know is that 4.5 million people a year in the U.S. are bitten by dogs, and the majority of those people bitten are children. And the reason is children are innocent. They think it's a nice, friendly dog, and all of a sudden they end up getting bitten. I know my own son. Every time he sees a dog, he loves them and he wants to go pet them because he thinks that every other dog is like our own dog at home. And unfortunately, the truth is that they're not, and people don't all treat their dogs the same. In California, though, if you are bitten by a dog, the majority of the time, the dog owner is responsible, and they're going to have to end up paying for what their dog did. So the dog owner usually ends up having homeowner's insurance, and their homeowner's insurance is responsible to pay for for you or your child or your family member's injuries. And how much they pay depends on how bad the dog bite was. We've had dog bite cases where there's been fingers that have been bitten off completely, or there's a big chunk missing from a child's arm, and it's really difficult to see these beautiful kids with such bad dog injuries. We had a child who had her whole lip bitten off, and we had to end up having plastic surgery for her as a result of this vicious dog attack. How much your case is worth really ends up depending on the actual injuries and how bad these injuries stay with you for the future years. If you're a little girl and you've been bitten on the face, and you're going to have scarring for the rest of your life, well, obviously that's going to be worth a lot more than having a little bit of a scratch on your arm. So it really depends on what your injuries are, and again, depends on what your future medical bills are going to be. And did you miss time from work because of this, or were you able to go right back to work? Because you are allowed to get compensated for your loss of earnings.